Hey everybody, we would like to walk you through how you can go online to our safe and secure website with our organization to become a monthly supporter of ours. What you want to do first, because it's pretty easy to go this way, and also will help you get familiar with our personal blog that we have for our family as well. And that is to go to HaitiWeGo.com. Once you're there, you're going to see the different titles on the top that you can go to different pages. Go to this one that says donate and click on that. And then scroll down a little bit and you're going to see a yellow rectangle that says donate. And if you click on that, it's going to take you to the safe and secure website of our organization. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to create a profile. And creating a profile does not make you a monthly supporter. Creating a profile is only going to help you be ready to where it will allow you to then go back and create your monthly support login info to where it will automatically take out each month. But you have to create your online profile first. This allows you access to come in and change anything anytime you ever need to, in case you need to change a date, amount, or the place that the money is coming from. So once you have created your online profile, which is right here, and you log in, which is right here, you're going to be on this donation page. And on this donation page, you're going to pick our family, which we're, I think, in the middle right here, Jim, April, and Family Starkey. And you simply plug in the amount that you want to do per month, okay? So you plug it in right here. And so let's say you want to do 50 a month. So click on 50 and you plug it in right there. And you come down here to donation frequency and you hit this arrow. And then that is where you can choose to do quarterly, semi-monthly, monthly, or one time. If you want to become a monthly supporter, it needs to be one of these three, though. And so if it's monthly, then you go ahead and click on monthly. That's what most people do. And then what's really nice is you can actually pick the date that you want to start. Say you know you're getting paid next Friday, you want to start it then, or there's a certain date each month that just works well for your budget. You can pick that date, and we'll say it's the 21st. And then you just hit continue. And then on this next page is where you're going to fill in your information, your name, your address, your phone, and your email. Then you're going to choose if you're doing through a debit or credit card, or if you're going to plug in your checking account, which if you'll see it changes and you put in your routing number and your account number, or your savings account number. And so then once you plug in all of this information, they'll have you select a password for your account. If you haven't already plugged everything in, let them know you're a robot, and you'll process it, and then it will confirm, and you will all be set, and it will start coming out on that date that you picked every month at the amount that you picked. And it's as simple as that, and you'll actually get an emailed receipt every month as well. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate it more than you'll ever know that you want to become a part of our monthly support team to help us get down there to Haiti and stay there. Thank you guys.